Hey everyone, welcome back to my HTML series. Sometimes we do not have the content ready to put in our web page while we are building the website. In such cases, we can use Lorem to generate some dummy text. How do we do it? We just type Lorem, and without providing a space, I'll just provide how many number of words that I want to type. So if I put in Lorem 5 or let's say I put Lorem 10, press tab, it will generate exactly dummy text for 10 words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can provide it n number of n count of words, whatever we want. So let's say I can even provide it 100. Please make sure that there is no space in between. If you put space in between, nothing will happen. So having zero space in between, that is important. If I press tab, that's it. Sentence of some 100 words have been created over here.